Alright, so today we're going to be changing the tail light bulb on the 2018 GMC Canyon. This is pretty simple. All we need is a T15 Torx bit and something to hold it with. And then the light bulb we're going to be using is a 7443. So we'll go ahead and get started. So on the inside of our truck bed where our tailgate butts up, we've got these two torque bit screws. We're going to go ahead and just remove these both. And now we can see that our light housing has loosened up. So now what we need to do is there's two little retainers in here, and we just need to kind of pull and wiggle, and those will pop right out. So now on the back side of our light assembly, we have where the bulb goes in. We're just going to take this and twist it in a counterclockwise motion, and that will come right out. Now we can simply just pull the light bulb out, put our new one in, reinstall this with a clockwise twist now, and then we're ready to reassemble. So the reassembly is pretty simple and straightforward. We're going to make sure our little pins are lined up, push those in, and then we can reinstall the two screws in the truck bed. So there we go, nice and simple. We've got our tail light bulb replaced and everything is back together. Thanks for watching.